In the heart of the 16th century, a remarkable figure emerged from the kingdom of Zazzau, a fierce warrior known as Queen Amina. With courage and vision, she took on the mantle of leadership, transforming her realm and leaving an enduring legacy. Her most notable achievement? The fortified city walls, famously known as Amina's walls. As she expanded her territory, she recognized the need for protection against invaders. With meticulous strategy, she set to work, fortifying conquered cities, ensuring her people could live in safety and prosperity. Standing tall, these walls were more than mere structures. They symbolized strength, resilience, and a woman's indomitable spirit. As the midday sun cast its warm glow, Queen Amina's fortified cities thrived, reflecting her unwavering determination and inspiring future generations, reminding us that true leadership knows no bounds.
In the 1940s, a remarkable woman named Margaret Rudkin opened the doors to an extraordinary journey. As the founder of Pepperidge Farm, she was inspired by her passion for quality and tradition. Margaret started by baking bread for her sick son and to selling to her neighborhood. Her commitment to freshness and flavor quickly transformed a small bakery into a beloved brand. But it wasn't just breads that made her famous. In 1960, she introduced the world to the iconic goldfish cracker, a snack that has since captured hearts across generations. With their playful shape and cheesy taste, goldfish became a staple in households everywhere. Margaret's pioneering spirit and dedication to quality have left a lasting impact on the snack industry. Today, we celebrate the legacy of a woman who believed in the power of good food, combining both innovation and business to build a $1.7 billion.
Ursula von der Leyen, a name that resonates with authority and influence, serves as the President of the European Commission, placing her at the heart of European politics. Born in Belgium, she grew up in a family steeped in politics, which ignited her passion for leadership at an early age. After earning her medical degree and serving as a physician, her journey into politics began. In 2005, she became Germany's first female Minister of Family Affairs, later taking on roles in defense and labor, showcasing her versatility and determination. As president since 2019, Ursula champions climate change initiatives, digital transformation, and social equality across the continent. Her leadership during crises such as the pandemic emphasizes her commitment to solidarity within the EU. Recognized globally, she stands as one of the most powerful women in the world, inspiring the next generation of female leaders to break barriers and lead with vision and compassion.